how this is how we try for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this when I'm going to show you some problem you could have if you are a regular user of Team and if you bombarded with different type of scam and fraud at your account. Many times happen, you see some request at your Team as this at the corner, somebody's writing you unwanted contact, unwanted chat you have. If you click that, they can hack your account, they can take your password, they can destroy your system, credit card, other stuff. You can lose very easily if you accept this type of hack and scam. So what we should do in this case, every day I receive something. I have more than 100 here, so I deleted most of them. So what to do, you click this one, you see this account are deactivated. Sometimes you see activated name of a person, could be Jennifer. If you click accept, they can talk with you, they can hack you, they can do many things to you. So when you see something as this unwanted, you don't know that guy, don't talk with unknown people that you don't know. So here you can open this message. Here you see block and accept. If you accept, you will have a problem. Better click here block. But not only block, here you see a button, report deactivated account or report the person. So in the future, they can't send you any this type of misguided or scammy messages to you, or they can't contact to you. Report deactivate account, hit block. Then what the problem here, I put fraud or scam. Okay, then hit send button, is gone. Okay, you'll get a report, thanks for reporting, they will tell you. So one more time, request, hit block button, report the account, hit block, hit fraud and scam, hit send button. That's all. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.